This that I'm a bit chasing the waves. Not coming through the grave. We got too much money now. On some. Tell her you made for this. Tell her you made for this. Tell her you made for this. Tell her you on the trail. What do you do when you soldier up? What do you do when you run it up? You take out some money to fuck them up. And that's what you do. Then you gon' tell her. Tell her you made for this. Tell her you made for this. Tell her you made for this. Hey, hey, whoa, hey. Twisting up fat bud, slipping on good mud, looking like a light bulb. Nigga got moved like a jet club. Just a minute drop.
Smoking spinach till like Popeye. Walk him down, don't do drive-bys. All on his neck like a bow tie. Why do the hate? I do not know why. I'm rolling my nigga like 4 times. He said he wrestled, got caught with a clothesline. Go get them racing.
Okay, so we back. We got the pressure plate installed, clutch spring getting ready to be torqued down. We got all our clutches in, everything's in order. Suzuki like you to set that last one offset from the rest of them. I don't know why, but I guess that's just how it is. But everything else lined up fine. We deleted our pins that went to our initial back torque eliminator setup. So everything smooth, lined up, no play. Everything 1,000. I guess it is. Everything 1,000.